Once upon a time, there was a small bird named Tia. Tia wanted to fly very high in the sky, some behind small cloud. But other birds laughed and said, "You are too small to fly that high." Tia felt sad, but she didn't give up. Broken heart. Every day, she practiced flying a little higher and higher. Slowly, she became stronger and braver. One day, a big storm came in the sky, cloud with rain. All the birds were scared, but Tia stayed calm. She flew through the storm and helped other birds find safety. Everyone was surprised and said, "The smallest bird became the bravest one." Tia smiled and said, "Never give up on your dreams."